कामयाब रहो और परमात्मा बरकत पाए, खुश रखे ऐसी सर्वना।
ममता विष्णु मीन्स खुशी। उनका नाम लेते ही आसपास खुशी खुशी और सिर्फ खुशी फैल जाती है।
From attending your wedding to celebrating 25 years of your togetherness, I can't believe how much I have seen you as role models in my life. Quite literally, the only reason I believe in love and marriages is because of both of you. Mom and mommy are like the best couple that I've ever seen in my life. They're so good for each other. They're like two separate paths, just intertwining it in the best possible way. I don't know which executive suits best for them. Is it old? Is it big? Is it loving? Is it caring? Is it smart? But it is just perfect.
You're such a cute couple. I admire you guys, and I just want my relationship with my future wife to be as good, as peaceful, as sweet as yours.
प्यारा बच्चा है, परमात्मा इनको दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए बने हैं। परमात्मा इनको अच्छी उम्र दे और आपस में प्यार बना ले।
प्यारा बेटा है, सिमरन भी प्यारी बेटी है। भगवान इनको सदा खुश रखे।
First week, Rishi and Simran, wishing you a many years of love and happiness. God bless you, both of you.
और ममता को 25 साल की ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ, 25 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਐਨਵਰਸਰੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਚ ਇਨਵੋਲਵ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਭਾਈ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਬਖਸ਼ੀ।
Happy anniversary, my dear brother, and my dear bhabhi, Mamta. I know Rishi, I'm your favorite sister. And जो हमने बचपन में बदमाशियाँ जो की है, वो तेरे को भी हमेशा याद रहती है, मेरे को भी हमेशा याद रहती है। और always be happy.
Congratulations, Rishi and Mamta on your 25th anniversary. Wishing you life's best.
All wishing you both a very, very happy silver jubilee anniversary. Thank you for having us all. I know you could have celebrated in any other way. You could have traveled any part of the world, enjoy yourself as a couple. But instead, you chose to invite all your loved ones, bring them all together, make them enjoy for good 3 days. And apart from that, I know you also do these things, but you are my favorite brother and hubby. Of course, you are my favorite, but you are my parents' favorite also.
Very happy anniversary, silver jubilee, Mamta and Rishi. Very, very happy for you. Wishing you all the love and togetherness, blissful togetherness for many more years to come. And hats off जो आपने सबको इकट्ठा किया. These 2 days have been very enjoyable, and I believe we were meeting after such a long time, all of us together, and God bless you with joyous life ahead. Thank you so much once again for gathering us all. Thank you.
I want to wish Rishi Mama and Mamta Mami a very happy anniversary. I wish they have many more beautiful years together, filled with lots of happiness and love. Exactly what they have given to us. For me, coming to Ranchi is like my Nanka. And my Nanka memories could not have been so beautiful without them. I've been cherishing these moments, and I'm going to cherish it forever. The kind of love, affection, bond I got from them, and the way they've always been so welcoming to me, and the kind of love they've given to my grandparents, that's something so close to my heart. I love you, I respect you.
Sakshdeep. I am Rishi Mama's and Mamta Mami's nephew. Ranchi has always been a very special place for us. क्योंकि साडे नाना जी ते नानी इत्थे सन. We have very fond memories of coming here every summer vacations, spending a lot of time with Masis, Nanaji, Nani, and also with Rishi Mama and Mamta Mami. I remember स्कूल के बाद आई टोल्ड ऋषि मामा दैट आई प्ले बास्केटबॉल, तो स्पेशली इंग्लिश में लेके गए बास्केटबॉल खिलाने के लिए. वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन टुगेदर. ऑल्सो एनी मंथ्स नाना जी एंड नानी पास्ट अवे, तो हम लोग गुड़गांव घर पे थे. ऋषि मामा ममता मामी हमारे साथ बैठे हुए थे एंड दे टोल्ड अस अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज अबाउट नाना जी एंड नानी जो हमारे को नहीं पता था. सो स्पेशली व्हेन नाना जी retired, the kind of care that Rishi Mama and Mamta Mami provided for them and the kind of love that we got from them always as kids and as adults. And Mamta Mami is like that glue that binds the entire family together. So kudos to you. Thank you so much for giving us the kind of love that you've always given us. We're blessed to have you. We'll always be your children. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Big deal. 25 years of marriage is a big deal. Great personalities the world have not gone for 6 months. I love the way you both love and care for each other. That is priceless. I wish you many, 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 many more. God bless you.
Happy 25th anniversary, Mamta and Rishi. Thank you for this celebration, for this beautiful, beautiful celebration. We all enjoyed. Everything was just great. Now this is 25 and now we wait for the 50 years.
Hi Rishi and Simran, many congratulations on your 25th anniversary.
And we love you both. You are an amazing couple and we're so happy to be here.
25 and so many more to go. Wish you very prosperous, happy, full of love years to come with a lot of health. Enjoy and stay blessed always. Love you.
If I had to define the relationship in one word, it would be Humsafar. Watching them, I have learned the secret to a great marriage is being calm in each other's chaos, providing that perfect balance when life gets stressful. As for sequel, 25 to 50 needs to be all about adventure. I'm talking more stamps on their passport and exploring the world together. Happy anniversary to my lovely soul travelers.
Sat Shri Akal, and a very beautiful happy wedding anniversary again to you. 25th anniversary marks beautiful memories, and being part of it with you both, Rishi and Simrandy, it was intenseful, it was emotionful, it was delightful and full of memories now. Well, your first memory of being a couple, to me, if you ask, is still vivid and stays very close to my heart though. Before that, Simrandy was just a friend from the neighborhood, of course, but soon through our kitty circle we get to know each other and we come very closer. The more I got to know her, the more I realized that she is incredibly strong, determined woman, yet always a very genuine well-wisher at heart. When I started meeting them as a couple, it is always overwhelming, in the best way though, but that is full of laughter, warmth and smiles. As a duo, I've never seen them like being apart, which is the best thing that I like in them. They're inseparable, they're truly remarkable and respectable together. I've always learned so much from Simrandy, from simple insights about a Sikhi, to long heartfelt conversations about everything under the sun. We are pleased to have her always hand to hand, always there for each other. When Rishi always calls Simrandy and says, whenever we're sitting together, Simran, I love you. That's so beautiful and adorable, and make us jealous sometimes. If their love story was a movie title, it would be Har Vele Simran, and that is true. Rishi Navya does her very Simran. That's too cute, too adorable, and we always wish them this love, full of happiness, prosperity, and just guidance always that they give us together. Just be with us. We love you.
Rishi and his wife Simran and his younger wife Mamta. Rishi thinks he's the boss, but Simran allows him to think like that.
When I think of the relationship of Simran and Rishi, I think of something that is strong, secure, and stable. So the one word would be a rock. The renewal of vows at the Silver Jubilee, a celebration of Simran and Rishi's. It was a moment of grace. It was a moment of triumph, as I recall, and it was also a moment that said that I endured because you were by my side. So that is definitely a wow moment for me.
We are here in the celebrations of Mamta and Rishi Bisi. It's quite an inspiring love story that a man, even after 25 years of marriage, is ready to jump on the horse and get married to the same person 25 years ago. Quite inspiring, classic 80s, 90s love story, Romeo, Juliet, Ranja. And the best part is it gives us inspirations for us also. And even after we come 15 years, 17 years into marriage, you are an inspiration to us. And love stories do exist.
Happy anniversary, Mamta and Rishi ji. Thank you for showing us what marriage can look like. Whilst you go through its up and down with the tornado, but also smile through it and be patient. And this only gives hope that tomorrow you have many rainbows of happiness coming your way, and wishing you many more beautiful forever.
Thank you so much. Thank you for always showing us the strong couple of like and being a strong force. Like she said, going through a lot of ups and downs in life. But thank you for setting a good example. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. It was an amazing time watching the last time. Enjoyed myself. Ate a lot of food. Amazing hospitality. Thank you so much.
Hi. I would want to first start with talking about my sister, Diti. That's how I call her. She's the first child, and she's the glue that binds the whole family together. Be it her, be it that side of the family or this side of the family, she's actually the glue that keeps all of us going. She's Simran Kohli now, and she can't be wrong. I bully her, I trouble her. I bully her, I trouble her, I listen to her a lot. Whatever she says, it's a final verdict for me. There is nobody who understands everybody so perfectly. She's a little unwell, which troubles me a lot these days. It's something that is at the back of my mind constantly. I really pray to God every day that she has a healthy, happy life. 25 years has been it's been a very rocky ride for her. It's not been a very comfortable ride. I would say it's a good potpourri. I don't think anybody could have balanced these 25 years the way she has, held the family the way she has. I'm very, very proud of her. And I really wish that I be born as her daughter in the next birth. I'm jealous of Rajiv and Asna to have such a mother who's so understanding and caring. As parents, as children, we sometimes don't register these things, that what our parents are envisioning for us, but they're never wrong. So Rajiv, Asna, there's a lot of responsibility on you both, because the journey ahead is something that she will be doing with both of you. So make it happy, make it nice for her. I know I am always there for her. I really wanted to talk about her. She was a single girl, got married and came here. She's a totally different person now, very flamboyant, very strong. Never thought that she would outshine like this, but I think marriage has molded her into a very, very fine lady. And amongst all this, a huge credit goes to Jiaji. I would say he is my father figure. He is everything to me, and he is one person that I fall back on. In today's world, there are only 3 phone numbers that I remember. One is my father, and one is Jiaji, and one now my husband's phone number. I don't know anybody else's. I don't even know my mother's number. I don't even know Mamta's number, because I know they are my speed dial. I know I can call them up anytime. And the way he has held her and through this journey, yes, it has not been easy. I'm sure they both have had their share of ups and downs and everything, but now I really, really wish you both a very, very happy married life ahead, where you both live for each other and do things only for each other. I think you both have done a lot for everyone. I think it's time, Jiaji, you should give time only to her now and your children, because I think everybody is well settled and well taken care of, including me. You've given me also a lot of time. You've always been there for anybody who has needed you guys. I can't imagine having another man, somebody else kind of person in her life apart from you, Jiaji. And you have been that perfect son-in-law, perfect son, perfect husband. Everything has been so perfect. So thank you so much for completing our family from day one that you came. You set the benchmark, you set the bar, like how everybody says. Simran Kohli has set the benchmark, like that same way Rishi Kohli has set the benchmark in son-in-law.
Hello everyone, this is Nicola to my parents. In the 25 years of togetherness, the 20 years that my parents have given me has been extraordinary. They've motivated me, they've recognized my talents, they've given me everything or more that I could have ever asked for. My dad is the kindest, purest and calmest person that I have ever come across of. He plays all kinds with me, jokes with me, he's always there to fill my time with laughter and fun. He never says no to me, he's literally my best friend. My mom is the strength of her family, she's such a dynamic person. Even the word perfection is less for her. I love my parents a lot. My mom, be it game nights or any fight, she brings the family together. She homes us with values and teachings, and those values and teachings that my parents have given me is something that has shaped me and I'm really proud of, and something that I've always thankful for. I love my parents a lot, and nothing can ever replace them or the love I have for them.
One of the things about growing up is you go from seeing your parents as just parents to a team of two people with a lot of patience and resilience, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਸੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਰਾਸਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਕਿ ਸਬਰ ਰੱਖੋ, ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਕਰੋ, ਸਵੇਰੇ ਜਲਦੀ ਉਠੋ, ਬਾਂਦਰਪਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੋ। God, I like this. Thank you for teaching me everything, for always being there for me, for supporting me. Happy 25 years.
So, what do I say about Rishi? Rishi is very naughty. He's a very big prankster, and he's very romantic. He's a very different kind of a romantic person. He is not the Bollywood type of romantic person. He's the Korean movies type of romantic. You see the ones you see in Korean movies, though he's not watched any Korean movie till today. But yeah, he's that kind of. And to pamper you, he'll take you shopping. You can shop till you drop, but Rishi will never get tired of it. That's the way. That's his way of pampering. He'll take you shopping if he has to pamper you. And he'll always come home empty-handed, and there'll be a delivery guy behind coming with some chocolates and some gift or something. He'll never bring them home. So that's kind of, he surprises, and he surprises me in many different ways. If I'm out with my friends for lunch, he'll just come over. He'll come and join the lunch. He'll just say hi, hello. He'll say I love you, and he'll just go away. He gives me lots of surprises. And he's a very family-oriented person, and everybody adores Rishi. I've not seen anyone who doesn't adore Rishi. He's adored by everybody. His children adore him a lot. Everybody adores him. He cherishes family values a lot. So he always he keeps his family very close to his heart. His friends also are family to him. They're like family. They're not that friends, they're family. They're part of our family, all his friends. And he is very, very happy because the way he wanted to celebrate this milestone, he did it exactly that way. And he's very happy. He's very overwhelmed that he could, like everybody, the whole family came together. His friends came together, so he really cherishes, the friends staying in Ranchi, the friends staying outside Ranchi. All of them came together to celebrate. Till many days, he was very thankful. So and so came, he came. I'm so happy that they could make it. They could take out time for me. That way he was very happy about it, about the whole celebration and the way it turned out to be. And we are really full of gratitude, and we are really thankful to everybody that all of you could make it. And it's because of you all that it was so beautiful. Thank you so much.